Oh yeah, it's unboxing time. What's going down, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Camping with Coleman. It's your boy Josh, aka Coleman, hanging out in the studio, about to get into an unboxing video, and yeah, let's do it. I don't really know what to say other than yeah, let's do it. Also, thank you guys. Last video, the ESP anti-spurt explained video. I just realized I don't have my microphone on here. 1 second. There we go. Hopefully that sounds a little bit better now. So last episode of Camping with Coleman, where you guys basically were given the opportunity to purchase a very limited amount of ESP anti-spurt kits or mounts. They sold out like that. So thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. I know there wasn't that many of them available, so to those of you that weren't able to get any, I am sorry, and I am going to do my best to get some more of them printed. So we'll see what happens. Until then, though, there's still lots of stickers available. I'm always cycling stickers, so if you want stickers, hit me up, let me know. I'll get you lined up with all that. So anyways, let's get into an unboxing. I just want to say thank you guys, because the support means a lot to me. So that being said, now let's open some toys, man. I am excited for this. So this box right here was sent to me from Amain. Big thank you. Big shout out to Amain. They have all kinds of goodies. All kinds of good stuff here. And you're about to see what's inside this box is a whole bunch of goodies. Now, here's the issue, though. According to my plug there, some of this stuff is missing. So some things are on back order. So I don't know what was on back order, but some things are on back order. So I don't want to get my hopes up just yet. There could be some things in here missing, which could throw a little cramp in my plan. And that's okay. That's okay. We'll figure out a workaround. But it's going to be a surprise. So I have anxiety right now, just as if I didn't really know what was in this box already. So let's figure it out. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna do it like old school style. We're gonna slide the box over here, and I'm gonna put you guys right here. All right, so now we've got a little bit of a working space here. I'm just gonna pull things out of the box and throw it down here. We'll see what we got. So let's do this. Open this up. Oh, buddy, there's a lot of stuff in this box. First up, we have from Extra Speed. We have a diamond plate set. This is for the D90 and D110 bodies. That's kind of a giveaway as to what I've got coming up in the future already. So obviously doing some Land Rover building here in the near future. So awesome, stoked on those. This pile is going to get really massive, so we're going to have to change this camera angle here eventually. But we're going to do the best we can, right? We have an Axiom SCX10 frame set. Super excited about this. I like to keep a full frame set just sitting on the side in case I need to extend frame rails, in case I need to do a scratch build, in case the SCX10s get sold out and I'm not able to get my hands on one. It's always nice to have one of these around. I highly recommend picking one up and just keeping it hanging on the wall. Trust me, it comes in handy. Next up, we've got not one, but two Proline scale recovery toe straps, and this is it comes with the duffel bag. So if you guys haven't seen these, these are awesome. I saw these on Instagram and immediately fell in love with them. Gotta have. It's just a must-have for me. I think it is great to have a bag to put your accessories in. The toe strap is great, but having the bag to put the accessories in, I think that is awesome. Definitely like that. It's like a scale tote. Or not a scale tote, but like a scale duffel bag. Next up, what do we got in this bag? I've got a bag in here. Oh man. So I'm going to set the bag down here because it's got a bunch of stuff in it. And we're just going to start pulling things out of this bag. First up, we've got from Exclusive RC. I think this gentleman is, I think he goes by the Scale King. So from Exclusive RC, we've got some scale harnesses here. This is a spare tire harness, not a seat harness. This is a spare tire harness. So this is something you put on your spare tire, and especially on like an Ultra 4 buggy or something, you know, you're really trying to show off that spare tire. You want to dress it up a little bit. This is a good way to do it. So that's an awesome accessory. We've got, let me get this out here from SSD. We have scale M2 scale hex bolts, and there's 20 of them in here. These are zinc. We've got 2 packages of those. Super excited about that. You can never have enough scale hardware. Now, you guys know I love my Team K&K hardware and I use it on everything, but whenever I get the opportunity to use scale hardware on wheels and stuff, I like to do that as well. Now, from Vanquish Products, we have a set of, these are the, what are these called again? There it is. The center hubs. These are XD series. I was trying to figure out XD series center hubs. And they're the clear anodized ones. Stoked on these. Kind of hint as to what's to come. Then we also have from Vanquish Products here, SCX-102 AR44 spools. So stoked on these. Got that Made in USA logo right there. Gotta give a little love for that. And then, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. What do we got here? From Vanquish. Let's do some more Vanquish product stuff. From Vanquish, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 KMC Enduro 1.9 beadlock rings. Wow. Stoked on that. I don't know if you guys seen that before, but I like those. I've got some Vanquish wheels that I don't know. I kind of fell in love with them. I've had them for a while. They're the ones on Hercules. I think they're Method 105s or 106 or something like that. I'm not really a wheel junkie like a lot of people are. You know, a lot of people start buying wheels and they, you know, they'll either turn into brand specific or, you know, style specific or something like that, and they just go crazy on them. I'm not really that guy. I usually just use what I have laying around and make the best out of it. But on one of the projects I'm working on, I think we're gonna go a little fancy. Hence the Vanquish parts here. And let's dig into some ProTech. We've got ProTech RC's aluminum clamping servo horns. These are in black, of course. I like my stuff in black when I can. Also, it depends. Sometimes, like, I like the gold ones from Axial as well. And then, I don't know. I've never had these before, but they looked really good on the site, and these look like the long versions, so I'm hoping I'll get good throw out of these. If you guys are wanting to see these, I'm not sure if I'm showing the stuff off good enough in here. Definitely let me know in the comments if you want to see close-ups of everything. Try to do a better job of that with the rest of this stuff. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, honestly. Let's keep it going here. We've got Ssd Drive Shaft. Stoked on this. This is for the Wraith. However, I don't think this will be used on a Wraith. It's just the length that I wanted. I was also after a bomber length drive shaft, but they were out at the time. So SSD, get them bomber drive shafts back in, man. Get those in over at Amain for me. Now, let's keep it moving. So we got a lot of stuff. We can't go slow. We've got some extra speed Steel 45 front CVD drive shafts for Axial SCX-102. Now, I can't recommend these yet because I've never used these. These may be junk. I don't know. I just got them because I wanted to try them out. I know that Vanquish came out with some new Incision, whatchamacallit, it's not VVDs, but you know, like the real RCV style ones. And I would like to get those, but there weren't any in stock at the time, so I figure let's get these, and then when I get a chance, I'll get some Vanquish ones too, and we'll be able to do a little comparison, you know, budget style versus a little more spendy American made. And we'll see how that turns out. And then Let's see, what do we got here? From RC 4-wheel drive, we've got some matte tracks, but I went a little different this time. We went with gray. Normally I go with the orange ones. I've got lots of orange ones. This time I went with gray. We're going to switch it up a little bit, go for a little bit of a different look. Really excited on that. Excuse me. Here we go, some brass parts. These are from Kmc, actually. These are the SEX 10-2 brass heavy-duty steering knuckle set, full set. Now, I have several other brass knuckle parts, and the reason I've gotten all these is because I really want to compare them. I'm doing multiple builds, and I'll be able to see what I like better. Do I like the Kmc style ones? Do I like the beef tube style ones? Do I like the SSD style ones? I don't know yet. We're gonna find out though, because I've been stocking up parts for these builds, and I'm really gonna be able to do a lot of testing with them. So really excited. If you guys have some of these, let me know in the comments. I definitely want to know what you think. Were they worth it? You know, do you like how they work? What do you think could be changed about some of these brass parts? I like these ones because they're black. That's the main reason why I got these. What else is in this bag? What do you have? This is a little different. Team Associated's XP10 LED light bar. It's 170 millimeters. Now, I'm not so sure this is going to work with my project or not, but I feel like it's going to, so I went ahead and picked one up. We will see. It may be too big. It may not be. I don't know. We're just going to have to fill it out and see what happens. If it is too big, I have another project I know that I can use it on. So either way, it will be getting used. I'm pretty stoked on it. But the reason I went for this is because of the width. It was the only one that I could find that was this wide. So that's why I got it. Other than that, let's keep it moving. That's it in this bag. But that's not it for the unboxing. There's still so much more in this box. I'm tripping out right now. This is going to be one of the bigger unboxings I've done in a long time. So you guys definitely give a huge shout out to Amain. They made this unboxing possible. I told them I had some projects I was working on. I really wanted to do a really big unboxing, and they were able to work with me and make this happen. So definitely show them some love for this. Show them some support. All right, here we go. We have Kmc Enduro Xt 222 1.9 wheels. These are sick. Oh my goodness. These are some good looking wheels. I don't know if you guys can see those, but oh man. We have not one set, not two sets, but 3 sets of these. Oh! Super stoked. Super stoked. And I got these because I want to do something here. I don't know if it's going to work properly, but I want to see if I can get these on those and make a cool custom look. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I'm just playing around, guys. I'm just playing around, all right? Don't judge me. Oh, I'm excited, though. I'm excited. This is like big kid in a toy store stuff right now. I'm so excited. All right, let's keep it moving. I gotta go fast because I know my wife's gonna be waiting on me to do dinner out there. We have 2 sets, or 1 complete set of RC 4-wheel drive Dirt Grabber 1.9 all-terrain tires. These are awesome. I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, wait, you got these tires to go on those wheels? No, actually, I did not. These are not the tires I got to go on those wheels. These tires are meant for something else. However, I did get these tires to go on those wheels. Now, I don't know if this is going to work. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people saying that Vanquish and Proline tires don't mix all that well. However, I'm going to try it anyways. We're going to see what happens. If not, I have other tires we can cycle out, and these will wind up on another project, and I'll pull the tires off that project and put on this one. So either way, it's all good. But I'm going to attempt to get these to work on these Vanquish wheels because I like the look of these tires. I like the look of those wheels. Oh, these are just nice. Proline did a good job with the size on these ones. I really like that. So, of course, because I got 6 wheels, we've got 6 tires. You gotta have the full set of matching spares. That's just, I don't know. We're going to Axial Fest with this, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but when we go to Axial Fest, I like to show off a little bit. Most of the time, I'm doing these videos about budget builds and all that stuff, but when it comes to Axial Fest, I like to build at least one that's just over the top. If I can, maybe 2 or 3, but at least one that's over the top. So that's what we're doing here. And I'm so excited right now. Of course, we've got a set of Crawler Innovation foams. Oh, and that looks like what may have been missing here. So we've only got one set of those, which is okay. I have other foams we can work with in the meantime. If we have to, we'll hit the local hobby shop, or we can just wait until they come off back order at Amain. It looks like this is what we got shorted on, but that's okay. That's okay. Not bothered at all, and mainly only need one more set of these anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. And that's it, you guys. No, that's not it. We've got one more thing in here. What is this? Oh yeah, I actually forgot what this was. So let's slide this stuff down, and right here we have a box, and this is from Yeah Racing. So I guess I'll need to pull that off there, but let's go ahead and crack it open. Yeah, I just remember what this was. They got stickers in there. They've got steel stamps, or those stamped steel wheels, wagon wheels, right here. So we've got wagon wheels with 1.9 tires, and then we've got a trailer. We've got a little trailer. This is the, I don't know what they were calling this, but it's basically like a little, almost like a little overland style camp trailer. And this one is leaf sprung. So that's why I got this one. The leaf springs are what really kind of attracted me to it. I want to build up a cool overland trailer to tow behind my new project build. So really excited. Actually, this trailer might go behind the XJ. We'll see what happens. But lots of building going on for Axial Fest right now. I'm really excited about it. Of course, I never really get to compete at Axial Fest, but I like to have stuff on display for everybody to look at. And then when I get the time, I like to go driving. And this year, I'm going early, so I want to be able to drive this stuff around, shoot video of it on site, on course. I'm excited. Let's get rid of that box. All right, you guys, now that is everything. That was a massive unboxing. Look at all this. If you guys like big unboxing, smash that like button. This is mental. If you want to see how I use all this stuff, definitely let me know in the comments. What do you think I'm going to use all this stuff for? What am I building? Do you know? Have you been paying attention? You see what's in the background sometimes in my videos. That being said, you guys, that was fairly epic. I'm a little bit shocked because I didn't realize that order was actually that big. I'm very excited right now. So I've got some building to do. If there's anything in this order or from previous orders that you want to see more in depth, you want me to maybe do videos on one specific item at a time instead of pulling all this stuff out, maybe just let's talk about tires, right? And you want to see, you know, a little bit of an in-depth view on this specific set of tires, or maybe on the foams or the wheels or whatever it may be, that trailer. Let me know and we'll see what we can do about making that happen. Wow. That being said, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm a little blown away right now. I'm going to go eat dinner. You know what it is. Peace and chicken grease. Yeah.